welcome to this series. Today let's create Helm chart. I'm in this directory here and I've got my cluster up and running. To create a Helm chart is really easy. Just type Helm create and then just give the name of the chart, whatever it is you want to call your Helm chart. An example here, I'm just going to call my Helm chart something like, let's say, web chart, something like that. Just press and enter. There you go. That's created. Well, now that it's created, I can actually just list out all the directories. You can see that we have the web chat there because it does create the directory as well for you. Let's get into that. So I'll just go into web chat, press and enter, get into this. Then I can just say, actually, we can just do ls-la, but it won't show us every single thing within this chart. But if you really want to see, I have this package called 3 installed. I can just use it and say 3 and I'll say web chat and list it. If I list it that way, you can kind of see all the components of this web chat that we just created. Well, the first thing is it has this chat.yaml. Second thing is it has the charts, which is where all the charts like the dependency charts are listed, and then templates, which includes every single thing really about the chat. Really, we'll go into these details in this later. Here is where you put all your tests. Automatically a default test has been generated as well, and then finally you have the value. So this is what you get when you create Helm chart. Thank you.